Have you got this window right here smashed and you need to replace it? Well, if you have one of these, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. To take off this entire bit here, we essentially need to take off this entire door trim. So first off, you'll see you've got this. First we open this up, there'll be a screw here, and then you open up this part over here, and there'll be 2 screws here. There's 1 screw. Now this bit over here needs to come off. So we do that, we get a flathead again. Once again, if you have pry tools, that's always going to be way better than flatheads, but we don't have that. So if you just do it carefully when you're prying it, then you won't scratch anything. Cool. There's off. Cool, those 3 screws. Remove it using a Phillips. Take off this bit over here. It's pretty simple. It's just a push plug, so if you just get a flathead and push it open as such, you'll find that the entire thing will just come off. All around this is all being holed, and then there's like a clip like somewhere over here in the center. So all you need to do is you just need to pry off each part, put your hands underneath it, and just like buckle it like this. It's only 3 screws, and the entire thing comes off. So over here we have 1, 2, and then the other one is over, it's here. These 2 right here are just both 10 millimeters. Just throw in your 10 millimeter and take it off. Okay, once you get those 2 off, you just have to do 1 more, which is over here. Now to get to that, just cut a hole using a Stanley knife. Oh, and you can see it, it's just right there. This is just a 12 millimeter. Alright, got it off, looks like this. Okay, so it's over here, and the stud is over here. You need to push this stud towards it, right? So that essentially this metal part here is stuck on it. You just need to get this metal part, move it like this direction, and then it will just kind of come out to the point of where you can move it up. We've got the window to this extent over here. Now all you got to do is you literally just turn it this way, like this, towards the car, and you'll see it comes out right like this. And then we're out. From here we got to clear out the old glass if you have a lot of it, and just get a vacuum cleaner and just throw it in there and just do it if you can. If you can't, then that sucks. To put this in, it's the exact opposite way of how you've took it out, so just go this way and throw it in like this. Cool. Get this over here, twist it now towards the cart. Cool. Yep, good. And then get the stud and put it straight through the hole of where the stud was initially. You can also take off this rubber part here, and you'll likely find some glass of it there. Just take off that glass and then make sure this goes back on top of that. So we've got that in. We're trying to push this down, so make this go here, this go here. But of course, this stud here needs to go in the hole, right? So realize right there that there's a hole there. And of course that stud needs to go in there. So really you just like squeegee it around using both hands, get one underneath it, pull it in if you need to, but yeah, I mean, it's not too difficult to do. Right, we got it in the end. So here, and I actually ripped this open a lot more just to this point, but it's fine. We'll just like, you know, put it down more and you won't notice anything, it's fine. Over here, we got this on over here. So we just got to put the 12 millimeter back on, 12 millimeter back on, and this back on, and then this back on. And then just do the exact opposite of what we did before, and then it's good, it's done.